went to the chat and I don't see anything I'm in the chat as we speak. I don't see anything in the chat. Nobody said anything. I saw it come across. And then now I don't have access to it. It says one message. Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, for the record.
No audio. You might as well come on in, Mr. Bowditch. The audio is cutting in and out. Mr. Bowditch, come in the courtroom. You completely froze up. No, you are. Yeah, look. That ain't you. Your appearance for Mr. Lewis.
Bowditch speaking on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
Robert James Lewis.
Thanks. You're taking out for arraignment in this matter, this 23 case, waiting for reading standing. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. In this matter, Mr. Lewis wishes to plead guilty to the charge from 2023, possession of narcotic paraphernalia. With the understanding since December of 2024 until September of 2025, Mr. Lewis has been incarcerated. He's been released from custody, and he has a litany of accomplishments since he's been released from prison. We were hoping the court might consider time served in this matter. He told me he had written plea by mails and things. We were hoping he could make time served.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Lewis, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And you understand the possible penalty for this misdemeanor charge?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I am.
On March 21, 2023, did you come in contact with officers in Van Buren Township?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
And at that time, did you possess some kind of paraphernalia that you should not have had?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I did.
And what was that?
Crack pipe.
Okay. All right. So I'll accept your plea. Tell me everything you've been doing since you got out.
So, since I got out, I successfully completed intensive outpatient. But before getting out, I completed life skills class. I got a certificate of completion for that. I have the Don Farms substance abuse that I did while incarcerated. I completed that. I did 24 class hours of Parables for Jesus. Successfully completed that. I'm seeing a therapist once a week. I'm in outpatient right now. I'm in sober living at Bear River Health. I successfully completed Recovery Coach Academy. I'm a certified recovery coach now.
Awesome.
I've completely changed my life around.
Awesome. Good for you. Good for you. So how long are you going to be where you're at?
To be completely honest with you, I can stay basically, from what they say, as long as I'm doing what I'm supposed to, I can basically stay as long as I want. I have no intentions to leave. I just accepted a job at Bear River. I'll be starting there within the next 2 weeks. So I don't plan on going anywhere. I do not plan on going back downstate, Your Honor.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good for you. Yeah. So what was your drug of choice?
Crack cocaine.
Yeah. And prior to this stint of sobriety, how long has it been since you were sober? When you weren't using?
2021. So I went on a 3-year binge.
I bet if we sat down over a cup, you can tell me all kinds of ways you screwed things up.
Oh, without a question. And that's exactly what I do today. I use my experience as strength to give hope.
Yeah. You sound like you've got an education.
I don't have an education. I'm going to further my education. I start classes in January so I can get my degree to be a substance abuse counselor.
Man, good luck.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you go to high
Your
school
Honor.
at, Mr. Lewis?
I went to Milan High School in Milan, Michigan.
Yeah. How'd you do academically?
Honor roll student.
Yeah. You got something on the ball. Yeah. Man, I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. All right.
I would love to too. You know what? And if I think that would be great, not only for me and you, but for all of the ones that would be able to hear the conversation that we had, and to be able to see a judge actually talking to a defendant, and just for that to bridge that gap
Yeah.
in the justice system, I think would be a great experience.
So where is Fair River located? Bear River.
Bear River is located in Boyne City, Michigan.
Yeah. Okay.
I live in one of their houses in Lansing. In
You're in
Lansing, Michigan.
Lansing? All right.
I'm
So
in
here's what-
Alanson. Alanson.
Okay, Alanson. Yeah, gotcha.
Alanson.
So, so this might be heaven ordained. So I just got an email that we just hired a new juvenile probation officer. We had an offer on the table and he just accepted it today. So I just saw that email a few minutes, just like literally a half hour ago. You're so articulate and well spoken. Send. I'm assuming you've got computer privileges.
I do.
Yeah. So my secretary is going to chat you an email address. I want
Okay.
you to send me an email, a proposal, how you think that you could help our juvenile program with your life experience.
Okay.
Wouldn't you
I would
like
be honored.
wouldn't you love the ability to be able to talk to the Robert Lewis of 15 years ago and
Oh,
keep him
man.
from going on the road you went?
Without a question, heaven ordained. I believe that I couldn't have said that better myself. I'm
Yeah.
honored, Your Honor.
Yeah. So I hate Zoom, virtual technology, but man, it would really be helpful in some situation like this because you wouldn't even have to drive downstate. We could just put a bunch of kids in a room and get you on a screen.
I would love that.
Yeah. So you send me an email. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send that on to our juvenile probation officer. He doesn't start till January, but I'm going to tell him that I just was really impressed by my conversation today and think that you could be an asset to us.
Mm.
All right.
Man, thank you so much, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate that.
You're welcome. And I'd give you a big pat on the back if you were here because you really have turned yourself around. It's like a 2.0 Robert Lewis.
It is.
Yeah.
To God be the
Yeah. All
glory.
right. So back to business. I'm going to send you to 30 days in jail, 30 days credit, and close this file out. Cool.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Now I'm going to get an email, right?
You are going to get an email. You probably will have it on your desk. You'll have it in your emails tomorrow morning. I'm gonna write it tonight.
Thank you. I look forward to doing some kind of collaboration with you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate it.
Enjoy
So she's
your
going
day.
to send me an email, correct?
She chatted it through Zoom. She chatted you an email address. Make sure you got it before I kick you off the meeting.
No, I don't have. I went to the chat and I don't see anything I'm in the chat as we speak. I don't see anything in the chat. Nobody said anything. I saw it come across. And then no, I don't have access to it. It says one message. Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm screenshotting it as we speak. And I got it.
Good to go.
Thank you
All
so
right.
very much.
You're welcome very much. Have a lovely day.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you. Bye.
So we're done, right?
Yeah, I think, no, I know.
I went to the chat and I don't see anything I'm in the chat as we speak. I don't see anything in the chat. Nobody said anything. I saw it come across. And then no, I don't have access to it. It says one message. Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay.
Miss Yoder, can you hear me all right?
Yes, I can, Mr. Oakley.
All right.
I call this star on behalf of Ms. Yoder. Ms. Yoder, state your name.
Jessica Yoder.
Thank you. This is a arraignment court date, Stan Newway for Marie. Your Honor, we're asking to come back for a pretrial so I can obtain a statement.
All right.
For bond purposes, we asked for a personal bond. She's been here, been waiting. She didn't know about this previously, but what she found out, she did.
All right. Miss Yoder, you're in Washtenaw County Jail?
No, I'm not, sir. I'm at Oakdale Recovery Center.
Oh, good for you. How long you been there?
I've been here for 14 days.
Good. So how long you been clean and sober now?
108.
Good for you. Good for you.
Thank you.
All right. So, all right. Yeah, we'll get you a court date set up. What was that date you picked? January what? 22nd?
22nd, Judge Martin.
Time?
June 9/20.
All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond on these two files.
Thank you, sir. When was my next court date?
I'm sorry, say it again.
When is the next court date?
January 22nd.
Okay.
We're going to do it at 9:30 in the morning or 9:20 in the morning. So
Okay.
if we mail you something to the Miller address we've got on the file, are you going to get that mail?
Yes, I will, sir.
All right. Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of I'm writing 20 while I'm trying to talk, in the amount of $1,000 on each of these files if you screw up on bond?
Yes, sir.
All right. So stay out of trouble and show up for court. And it's on
Yes.
Zoom on that date, January 22nd. Any
Yes.
questions?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
You
Actually,
put your hand
yes.
down. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. I believe I have a couple other warrants through your court for money issues.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you about those. So I've got one file from 2019, drove while license suspended, and then I got 3 Sumter tickets from 2022. No insurance, seatbelt violation, registration or plate charge. Those all add up to $2,286. Are
Okay.
you in a position to make any kind of a payment arrangement? Can you commit to some kind of payments?
Not until like the first of the year. I can start making payments.
Let's do this. I'm going to put on these files. I'm just going to put on review January 22nd when you're here for your other one. So
Okay.
when you're here for Judge Martin on that file, she's going to bring this up.
Okay.
So but have a plan.
No problem.
All right. So you'll be able to tell her, Judge, I've got $400 set aside, and then I want to make payments at $50 a month or whatever.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah. Because the money's important, but not as important as recovery.
Right.
So
No.
let's focus on that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Those are got a late one that just walked in, last the breaks. You want to take them?
Sure. Rice, he said.
Oh, Rice. Aaron Rice?
Rice, like the food?
Yes. I mean, I don't see a Bryce somewhere.
Oh, I'm looking for rice. No. I've got real.
He's early. He's a probation.
Oh. I'll give you the pleasure of that.
Mr. Bowditch is ready.
Mr. Bowditch,
I'm
are you ready?
I'm ready on Mr. Lewis, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, go ahead and unmute. I got it. It's a continuation. Yeah. One for a bench trial. So we probably need Ms. Manarino. Who are you, sir?
You're gonna have a seat back. Okay, make it. You can take these things. She's gonna need to cover.
Who's red shirt? Who are you? Are you on this case?
No.
Okay. All right, so we're back on the record with Mr. Dunbar's case. All right, so Heather listened to the record from the day the plea was taken, and there was no restitution number agreed upon. We set it for a hearing today. Okay.
My conversation with Mr. Dino was that if he had to be agreeable to the restitution in order, so when we talked
Right.
about it, she said, I am.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. So here's where we're at. If you want the deal, which was the disorderly and the larceny goes away, then we'll have a hearing and I'll determine what restitution should be. If you don't want to roll that dice, then that's fine. You're just back to where you were when you came to court last time. You have a larceny charge.
Not to get here, stipulate the amount, and I have the document.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you understand that? Your option is take the disorderly and pay the restitution, or you got a larceny charge, you got to deal with larceny charge. That's your option. What was the number?
Around $4,087.
On piece of paper, on the plate inside the file.
Yeah, he just said he don't want to pay restitution. All right, so we're back on with a larceny charge. You want a trial on that? Yeah. All right. Do you understand that you have a right to a bench trial or a jury trial? Yeah.
Sure, this is again, all, if I don't want to speak for her schedule, this is her case. We just take it back to another pretrial.
No, because then I'm just kicking it down the road. We'll set it for trial after we talk to her, but I'm not going to give it another pretrial just to pick a trial date. No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not going to give you another pretrial. This case already goes back to May. I'm not going to give you another pretrial just so you can talk to her. So if you want to talk to her, I'll let you make a phone call so you can talk to her. Go ahead. I'm not going anywhere. I got all kinds of files. See if you can get a hold of her. Tell her that the deal is not going to happen because you don't want to pay restitution.
One second, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't have a file up here that's ready to go.
Would you like to say, please? The right of.
Oh, it's in this file. How do you say it?
Right.
Thank you. Is that Jeff's?
That's why I didn't want to leave for us.
Yeah, come on.
Mr. Kreitzer will get you up here as soon as we get Mr. Bowditch back.
You to see who Chuck.
I did.
You're done?
Yeah.
There's no more for you? Yeah, oh, yeah, please, it's
All right, Mr. Bowditch, your appearance for Mr. Kreitzer.
Sir, could you tell me any questions?
Christopher Michael Kreitzer.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's date, in this matter, Your Honor, question based.
All right, Mr. Kreitzer, you understand that you do have a right to a jury trial. You understand the difference between the two? And you're going to waive the jury so we schedule for a bench trial? Heather?
at 11 a.m.
All right, we'll get you a paper notice in just a minute on those. Looks like you owe us money on a couple old files, 2016 Romulus civil infractions. You know about those? $872 total, registration or plate violation and no proof of insurance from 2016. Are you in a position to commit to some kind of payments? What, monthly, weekly? How do you want to do it? How much? When can you start? Pick a date. All right, go downstairs and make that official, get some paperwork before you go. after we give you your notice on this one. Mr. Starr, are you ready on Teats?
Yes, I am ready. Good morning, Your Honor. Trovia Star on behalf of Mr. Teets. Mr. Teets, state your name.
Mr. Teets, say your name.
Michael Teets.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
We stand mute, waiting for a reading. We've come to a resolution whereby the no plate and no proof of insurance will be dismissed, and the driving while license suspended will be reduced to no operator's license on person.
Thank you. Mr. Teets, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Sir, did you drive a vehicle on September 9, 2025 in Van Buren Township?
Yes, sir.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charges in keeping with your agreement.
Thank you.
What's the status of your license now, sir?
It's suspended.
Are you working?
No, the day I was working on that car to try to get everything back together, and I was transporting it back to my house because I bought it in unrunning condition. And the day that
We're losing you. Your audio's going.
Your Honor, what he wants to say is that he got into an accident and he sustained broken ribs. He's not working right now because he has broken ribs.
Okay. All right. Did we lose a connection, Mr. Teets? There you are. You back?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm back.
All right. So you're not working now. Where were you working when you had the accident?
I was working for AFM Heating and Cooling.
How long had you been with the company?
7 years.
All right. So you're going to go back to work with them once you get healthy?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Anything?
Once I'm cleared to drive by a doctor.
Right. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
No, sir. Other than what I just explained.
Yeah, he's
What
not
do you
driving
have to
right
do to
now.
get? I'm sorry, Mr. Starr.
Yeah, he's not driving at all right now.
Right. What do you have to do to get your license straightened out?
I have a hearing coming up. Well, I applied for the hearing. They haven't given me a date for that yet. And that's as far as I know right now.
All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No. I mean, I explained everything in my current situation.
All right. All right, fines and costs on your file, $500. I'm ordering 30 hours community service or charity work between now and February 1. That means hook up with some nonprofit charity or more than one. Churches, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, those types of places, registered IRS nonprofits. As to the $500, do you need some kind of payment plan?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, go to our website. I mean, you can come in person and do it. It's easier if you can get here, but if not, get on our website and start that communication on our website about a payment plan.
Okay, I definitely will.
Any questions for council before I terminate the meeting?
No, sir.
Good luck.
Huh?
All right, I've got two files that are the same. So we do have two stop sign violations.
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing formal hearings on two sign violations from the same date and a speeding ticket, correct?
Yeah.
All right, and you're ready for your sit. You ready for your formal hearing, sir? All right. Let's go.
Well, officer.
Officer, come on up. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. Settle in right here. Watch your step on my ramp.
Thank you.
When you're ready, Miss Manarino.
Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Michael,
Are you employed?
yes.
Where are you employed?
Editor Township.
What do you do there?
Police officer.
How long have you been self-employed?
6 years.
Other than being your township, have you worked for other law, any other law enforcement agencies?
Yes.
Where?
For a police department.
How long were you with PD?
Approximately a year and a half.
At Van Buren Township, are you assigned to any specific unit within the police department? And what is that?
Traffic unit.
How long have you been so, assigned?
3 years.
Were you on duty in the early morning hours of July 24th of this year, about 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
At that date and time, you recall where you were?
Yes.
Where?
Lancaster, just like Road.
That's the location within Van Buren Township?
Yes. And over some of the.
At that date, time, and location, did something given that caught your attention?
Yes.
What were you doing in that date, time, and location?
Connecting stationary radar for complaints that we've been getting in the neighborhood for speeding and stops and violations.
And what caught your attention?
I had driven a pickup truck turning south on the Lancaster from Tyler Road at high speed.
Did you do anything to confirm if that vehicle was traveling above the posted speed limit?
Yes.
What did you do?
I had my in-car radio positioned on the front of my vehicle, pointing at the vehicle.
Your radar.
Yeah, my in-car radar.
Did you do anything at the start of your shift to ascertain if that device was working properly?
Yeah, I think that's of it.
Did it have? Did you do anything at the end of your shift to confirm that device was still operating?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Connect another customer response times.
Oh. And did the radar device indicate to you the speed at which the vehicle was traveling?
Yes.
What was it?
Top speed was 68 miles an hour.
What is-
25 miles an hour.
Okay, so that vehicle was traveling 43 miles over the speed limit.
I didn't do the math, but checked out.
Other than the speed, did you observe the vehicle do anything else that made you concerned about the manner in which it was driving?
Yes, I got 2 stop signs that the vehicle bypassed at that speed.
When you say bypass, what do you mean?
Failed to stop or attempt to stop. Kept the same speed as it bypassed the stop sign.
And this is a residential area?
It's Lancaster, it's inside Andover subdivision.
Based upon your observations of the vehicle traveling 68 miles an hour in a 25 mile an hour posted zone and disobeying 2 stop signs, did you take any action?
Yes, I effected a traffic stop.
Did you have contact with the driver of the vehicle?
Yes.
Did you obtain identification from the driver of the vehicle?
Yes.
Do you recall any names on that identification?
I do not recall that.
Is that something you would have documented on your ticket?
Yes.
Would it refresh your recollection to review your ticket?
Yes.
May I go through it?
Sure.
Risk me.
So officer, did the reviewing your ticket refresh your recollection as to the name of that identification? And what was that?
Christopher Miller.
Do you see Mr. Miller present at the court today?
Yeah, he sit down right behind the gym.
Where at?
Wednesday.
Your Honor, let the record reflect that the officer identified the defendant.
Noted.
Did you have any conversation with Mr. Miller, to find out why he was driving that the way he was?
Yes.
What, if anything, did he tell you?
I believe it was his girlfriend. It was a female passenger. She had a laceration, I believe through her leg. I don't remember which one. But he was coming from a distance away, and he wanted to get advantage from her, which was at the house where they were headed to. That's
Did you offer any type of medical assistance to them?
He had also offered if they wanted an ambulance to come check her out or go to the hospital.
Did they take you up on that offer?
No, they refused.
So Mr. Miller indicated that he was driving over 40 miles an hour above the posted speed limit to going to abandoned for his girlfriend?
They still did.
And you said they were coming from a distance away?
Yeah, I believe it was another house in Detroit. So I think it was about a 30-minute drive or at least. So they I also advised me bypass stores that are open 24/7 like the CVS that's located at Belleville and North Service Drive, as well as hospitals that they could have went to.
Did you find this excuse about needing a advantage to be justification for the manner?
In my personal opinion.
I know it covers it.
All right, Mr. Miller, do you have any questions for Officer Edge? Okay, officer, you can sit down. Mr. Miller, do you have any witnesses? All right. Thank you. I'm sorry. And are you going to testify? It's your hearing. You run it. Yeah, that would be your testimony. All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the, no, that's all right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Go ahead.
I'm trying not to my foot in my mouth as I did in the first court. I'm trying to plead my case. Was I guilty? Yes. Was there a good explanation in my eyes? As a human, I can only think so. The person I was with, even like the hit stand, the other officer, her bone was actually showing in her leg. It wasn't just a little laceration. She refused to go to the hospital because she had no medical insurance and she couldn't afford the foot bill. She was a single mother and she wasn't getting a bandage. She was going home to literally stitch herself. That was her goal, was to stitch herself. And I was, if you check my record, I don't cause trouble. I'm a full-time single father of 4, as she was not my girlfriend. She was a friend of mine. I'm a full-time single father of 4. My biggest thing is my license, because I do a lot of, like, in the summer, I do, ballet at the airport. This is a lot of points. I'm not just somebody that's causing chaos.
But hold on. I only have 2 options today. I find you responsible, I find you not responsible. You're sitting there telling me you did everything they're charging you with, and I can't find you not responsible when you admit it. So that means you're going to get 3 points for each one of the stop signs and probably 4 points for the speeding ticket. Or more. So I don't know what negotiations got you to this point, but a formal hearing is not what you need to do.
I'm just a human, and I'm sorry.
Just so the court is aware, based on my conversation with Officer Ed, there's not a reduction that we would offer in this case.
All I can help you with, brother, is fines and costs. I can't do a thing with points. That's between you and Secretary of State. No, don't apologize. I'm just letting you know that.
Just the person,
Yeah.
just the father, just the human.
Yeah.
Got caught in one bad situation, it's gonna ruin everything. That's all.
Yeah.
No, I was just trying. I don't know.
I don't know what to tell you, guy. I mean, I understand what you're telling me, but to be perfectly honest, and I don't mean this to sound as criticism, I would have wrote him for reckless.
He was trying not to show me
Yeah.
The only reason I got any type of issue was that officer, because her bone really wasn't happening. It's not a joke.
Yeah. No, I believe everything you're telling me. Listen, I believe everything you're telling me. I'm just using my 20/20 hindsight to say there were a lot better things to do than go 43 miles over the posted speed limit in a residential area to try to get her home where she could take care of her leg.
I don't know what to say. I was just trying to say it as much as I could.
I don't even have any legal justification for what I'm going to do, but I'm going to find you responsible on 1 stop sign violation and the speeding ticket, and I'm going to dismiss the other stop sign violation.
Like I said, I know I'm not, this is like something I do on the regular, I'm not getting 25. I'm just, and Mr. Evans played in the last player, see, I understand he had a job.
He's a pro. He's a professional. That's what I expect him to be. You know, I expect him to be respectful and nice.
No.
All right, so I'm going to find you not responsible on one of them. B. Yeah, so A and C are responsible. I'll waive fines and costs on the stop sign, and no, dude, I love my job, so that's all right. There are bonds. So I'll return bonds on A and B. We'll keep the money on C.
You found him responsible on A.
I'm suspending fines and costs.
Oh.
Yeah.
I did what you think you said.
You understand where we're at?
Probably, as
So I'm keeping $245. I'm giving the rest back to your dad. Unfortunately, like I said, points are between you and Secretary of State.
You know, like, and it's just saying that, yeah, I'm just saying, like, you say that, like, what does that mean? Like, is there something, are you still more?
No. Well, I don't know.
Not what you get, I'm trying.
Yeah, Secretary of State might have something, I don't know. They,
Sort of like, maybe they might.
I don't know if they do that after there's been a hearing. I don't know.
I'm looking at some, it's asking.
Yeah.
My best bet is not.
Well, I think your only bet is to check with Secretary of State and see if there's any way to keep the points from going on.
Yeah, that would be. It's going up, that.
Oh, it's terrible. Yeah.
One.
Your insurance would
Was this.
go up at least 50%. Yeah.
About 30 of them.
Good luck. You're welcome. Be safe. We got anything else ready, Jamie?
No?
You're all set. You're all set. Go downstairs and wait for somebody to call the name and give you some bond money back. No. That's what I'm here for. Hey, Jamie?
Sure.
Is that Mr. Dunbar out there on the rail?
Well, if it's the one talking about Medina,
Yeah.
well, he's sitting right next to him. You want him in?
I want to get him out of here. So if he's talked to Medina, I just need him to tell me what kind of trial he wants.
Yeah.
I just want to get you out of here. So I just need you to tell me